Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and in today's video we are going to be talking about when stores are going to be clearancing their items, their Christmas merchandise, even for the biggest savings, 90% a lot of us is looking for. So we're just going to discuss this in today's video. And the first thing we're going to do, class, is I'm going to just let you pause the video right here. Currently, this is what items are marked at the various stores that we love: Walgreens, Dollar General, Walmart. 50% is good, but 90% is so much sweeter. So I know a lot of people are like, go to the store right now, just run. Like, unless it's for something really specific, like a gift set that you really want, I would wait. Like that old Kenny Rogers song. And, if you have many stores in your area, you're not shy to shop at like a Big Lots or Dollar General, not just the pharmacies, you could probably score really, really big. So it's a bit of a shuffle and a gamble, but sometimes it's definitely worth it. So the first store we're going to talk about is everybody's favorite, and that is Walgreens. And currently Walgreens right now is between 50 to 60%, whatever you're looking for. But not everything is at 60% yet. So from the past many years, here is my prediction. The first week of January, it's going to hit 70. The second week of January, it's going to hit 80. Then they're going to box it all up and send it back to head office. It might happen on a Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday. The date is kind of unpredictable right now, but when I get it, I'll obviously share it with you guys on the community tab, or we'll share it in this video. But I think it's going to be one of those dates that they're going to start getting the stuff to really start moving. The next store that we have is Walmart, and Walmart is usually January the 1st or 2nd. They're either going to go 75 or right to 90. In the last couple years, I've seen them go to 90 on January the 1st. So that is always when it's like, a little bit of perfection with magic mixed in. And everything tends to go really fast. I know that a lot of shoppers are out there really hard at 50% for everything and anything, but I'm going to wait for 75 or 90 because I want the best deals. I do apologize for this video. I don't have a bunch of photos to show you guys of the different clearance sections. Aunt Rach is a little bit sick with a cold, so she is staying in this week. The next store that we're going to talk about is Hobby Lobby, and they are currently at 66%, but typically on January the 1st, they go right to 90, and they are very aggressive to liquidate, get rid of everything. And the same thing with Rite Aid, that is at 75%. They're going to probably hit 90 on January the 1st. These are my predictions, but these are very similar in how they've tracked in the last couple of years. Let's just throw that on the table. And then Meijer is similar. On the 1st, they'll either go 75 or 90%. And Meijer always has a nice assortment of like everything Christmas. Lowe's, I'm also guessing, will also track on the 1st to hit 90. They are also at 75% off right now. And then a store that not a lot of us, clearance shop at probably is Big Lots. Last year I scored so much stuff there because nobody was really clearance shopping there. But typically it's the third week of January, they hit 90% off, and it's everything from their K-Cups to their whole line of Christmas stuff. And I scored so big there that I cannot wait to go back this year. And then everybody's favorite, Dollar General, the 25-cent sale. I think it's going to start on Tuesday, January the 16th. Where all the remaining Christmas merch, everything and anything, 25 cents each. So even like a, $6 can of air care spray or whatever, that's a Christmas holiday scent, that's a quarter, which is crazy. And then the following Tuesday, it'll be 10 cents, but probably most stuff will get cleared at that point. But yeah, they are very aggressive with their Christmas clearance, and to put everything down for 25 cents, that's even cheaper than 90% off. So if you're looking for the deepest savings, that would obviously be at the Dollar General. And before I take off, my favorite, Bath & Body Works, their semi-annual sale started on the 26th, and it's going right till the third week of January. If you love everything Bath & Body Works and you like to do digging in their red bins and a little bit adventurous, I made an entire dedicated video on how to navigate the semi-annual sale with the most amount of success. You might want to check that out. You'd be amazed what you could do with a $50 IBOTTA gift card and, just a little bit of patience. So you might want to check out the video linked right here. But guys, I think it's going to be an excellent clearance month of Christmas if you love Christmas as much as I do. And now is the time to get organized where you're going to shop and what you're going to spend. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.